Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by selecting the column that has stray spaces and immediately make a quick backup copy so you can revert if needed. Next, insert a helper column beside the data and type equals trim A2 in the first row. This removes ordinary leading and trailing spaces. Press Enter and fill the formula down the helper column to process every cell. Once done, you'll visually verify results before replacing originals, so you don't lose any formatting or unexpected characters. Now tackle the stubborn spaces that trim misses, non-breaking spaces, and invisible characters. In the helper column, use equals trim, substitute A2 char 160, which replaces char 160 with a normal space and then trims. If you suspect other non-printable characters, wrap clean around the expression. Equals trim, clean, substitute A2 char 160. Fill these formulas down to apply across the range, and scan for odd results. Make sure formulas are applied to every row so nothing is skipped. When the helper column looks correct, copy it and paste special values over the original column to replace text with cleaned values. Then delete the helper column to tidy up. If you still see double or extra spaces inside cells, run find and replace with 2 spaces replaced by 1 and repeat until resolved. Troubleshooting tip: if numbers become text after pasting, convert them with value or multiply by 1. Also check for remaining char 160 if symptoms persist and reapply the substitute pattern.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.